How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about massage guns and how we can use them to break down scar tissue and alleviate ourselves from kind of that pain and debilitation. So we'll go over kind of quick overview of scar tissue. What is it? Why is it important? Why does it matter? And then we'll get into kind of the techniques that we can use to break it down. So let's get started. Scar tissue. What is it? Why does it happen? Why is it in our body? How can I get rid of it? Scar tissue is an accumulated of a lot of dead tissue and a lot of different types of cells and stuff like that. Usually it accumulates and it conglomerates post-injury. So if you just like sprained an ankle or something like that, or you hurt yourself and you recovered and it's been a few weeks, but you never fully like taken care of yourself through the recovery process. So you're left with this slightly immobile kind of joint or limb that really holds you back throughout all your daily activities, or even if you want to get back to sports or stuff like that. So scar tissue is persistent, it's annoying, but it can be taken care of if you delegate the time to do so. So massage guns can be a very effective way of removing scar tissue because they are percussion devices, meaning you can actually like physically get in there and break up the scar tissue. But as well, you can also improve blood flow and circulation by, the percussion machine itself. So you can do a lot of things that help the cleanup of all that dead tissue. But massage guns should not be considered a replacement or a substitute for strength training and range of motion exercises, things that will get you back on your normal recovery process, but they should be implemented in kind of the same pattern. So you should do all of it. I wouldn't recommend just doing massage guns to help yourself recover. I would recommend doing the whole thing, So let's get started with the basic technique. For this, I would recommend you guys use the softball head of your massage gun. It's a really effective one. I think this is personally the best massage gun head because it's the most flexible and it's also something that's soft and won't harm your body. And then we'll use ankles as kind of a demonstration because we're talking about sprained ankles. This is one of the most common places to accumulate scar tissue because if you're playing basketball, you're playing football, you're playing soccer or stuff like that, it's very common to get sprained ankles, and a lot of times people don't let it heal properly. So they will just ice it for maybe a few days or something like that, and then they get back to their normal levels of activity without actually letting it heal. So we can take the massage gun, we can use the softball head, and I would recommend applying the lightest pressure onto the areas of injury. So at first I would recommend you guys just leave the massage gun there. You don't really need to do any motions or extravagant motions. We're just kind of testing the waters here to make sure that we're not feeling too many levels of pain or anything like that. But if you feel as if you can tolerate more pain, then I would recommend starting some circular motions with your massage gun, maybe clockwise or counterclockwise, in the direction of where you feel like there's more stiffness or accumulation of scar tissue. That would be the best areas to target. And we can do this for at least a minute, recommended up to more, as many as 5 minutes and stuff like that. And I would recommend you do this every day until eventually your scar tissue is broken up. Remember, we also want to keep up with our strength and conditioning exercises so we can kind of solidify our muscles and not just increase range of motion. You know what I mean? But that is generally a very basic overview of scar tissue, what you guys can do to alleviate and get rid of as much scar tissue as you guys can with something as simple as a massage gun. I feel like a massage gun is actually a really effective way of doing this because it basically does all the work for you, you know what I mean? It's super, super convenient. And no, this is not a marketing kind of promotion or anything like that. But yeah. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. I'll try and get back to you, and I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Peace.